This is the final video to solve Davinci Resolve cannot change source folder, because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Davinci Resolve cannot change source folder, and I am going to share them with you. The core of this problem often lies in how Davinci Resolve manages project file permissions and its internal library cache, preventing it from recognizing or updating the specified media location. Method 1 addresses this directly by resetting the Davinci Resolve application's internal cache and preferences, forcing it to re-scan and re-establish connections to all media, effectively clearing any corrupted pointers that might prevent source folder changes. Method 2 involves a deeper system-level permission adjustment. Davinci Resolve, when installing or updating, might not always secure the necessary read-write privileges for specific directories, especially on partition drives or external storage. Granting full disk access or specific folder permissions for the application on your operating system resolves these underlying access conflicts. Method 3 focuses on potential conflicts with cloud storage sync services. If your source folders are within a synced directory like Dropbox or Google Drive, the constant file monitoring and syncing can interfere with Davinci Resolve's ability to lock and modify file paths, leading to this error. Temporarily disabling or configuring these sync services ensures exclusive access for the video editor. Finally, Method 4 is a clean reinstallation, specifically targeting corrupted installation files or registry entries that might be causing persistent issues with module loading or file path management. This ensures a fresh, uncorrupted build of the software with all necessary permissions correctly initialized.